I have done my IELTS from Charm Education, which is in Ludhiana, and I have got overall 6.5. And in reading, I got 6.5, listening 6.5, and writing 6.5, and speaking also got 6.5. Basically, in this institution, all the teachers are very helpful, and I also give thankful to my class teacher because he done his great efforts to improve my skills in speaking, because I found very tough in speaking skills, and they helped me a lot. Moreover, the staff members of this institute were also very good, and they provide the regular homework and with the topics of the writing, which is I think very toughest part of the IELTS paper. So I really thankful to this institution. I also applied my visa from this institute because this stars provide the better opportunities for the students, and so I also request to all the students, you should visit this institute as far as soon, because this institute is the best in the Ludhiana, and I will be very thankful to you.